Hi, I'd like to show you how to play TV by Billie Eilish. I'm just going to put the chords up here somewhere. So you go G, and then you to a G/F sharp, which is just, take your middle finger off, pop your first finger down on the second fret on this low E string, to an E minor. G to a G/F sharp to an E minor. And then you're going to walk up on this A string, open 2, 3, so to this C major 7, to a D sus2, to an E minor. And that kind of loops, so you got E minor, C major 7, to a D sus2, to an E minor. All of my friends bit is the first bit that's different. All of my friends. And then the only other bit, maybe I'm the problem bit, is just C major 7 to a D sus2, on repeat, while you tell everyone how you're the problem. Awesome. Let me know how you're getting on in the comments and anything else you'd like to learn. See you next time.